Hello and welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be looking actually at storage size and how much a certain storage is able to hold. So let's have a look at this. All the information I'm going to talk about in this video is actually stored or shown on the whiteboard. We have going from the very smallest, a bit, all the way up to a terabyte. So we have a bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, and you should know that order, going from smallest to largest. For when they are a kilobyte, basically bits and bytes don't have any abbreviations, but you can see here that a kilobyte is known as KB, a megabyte, which is 1,000,000 bytes, is MB, a gigabyte, which is 1,000,000,000 bytes, is GB, and a terabyte, which is 1,000,000,000,000 bytes, is TB. The size, well, 1 byte is 1, and you can see that you have 8 bits to make 1 byte, and we have 1 byte here made up of ones and zeros. So 011, 00110 makes a number of 102, and I'll show you in later videos how we're able to turn binary numbers into decimal. But essentially a byte is going to be a 1, a kilobyte is 1,000 bytes, and that's a rough estimate. More precisely, it's 1,024. And what can a kilobyte hold? Well, it can hold about 2 or 3 paragraphs of plain text. For a megabyte, that's 1,000 kilobytes. 1,000,000 bytes, or 1,000 kilobytes, or 1,024 kilobytes to be precise. We have here, well, what does a megabyte hold? Well, it would hold 873 pages of plain text. That means there are no pictures involved. And that's about 4 books of 200 pages. Moving on, we have our gigabyte of 1,000,000,000 bytes, which is 1,000 megabytes, which is more exactly 1,024 megabytes. And now we're starting to really get up there. What can a gigabyte hold? Well, it can hold 341 digital pictures, 256 audio files, that's MP3 files, or 4,473 books of 200 pages. So you've got quite a library there. Finally, coming down to a terabyte of 1,000,000,000,000 bytes, or 1,000 gigabytes roughly, or more precisely, 1,024 gigabytes. Well, a terabyte is equivalent to 233 DVDs, so there's your library there, or 262,144 MP3 files. That would be quite a collection for a terabyte. So what do you need to know? Well, do know the order of where these are, what the abbreviations are, and you should know the approximate size, okay, in terms of what each can hold. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.